All right, so you know what I mean. Greetings to everyone. Welcome to our reaction. You know what I mean. This time we have a video on the Wendell page. So this page seems like it's a page about you know what I mean, travel tourism, tourism vlogging. You know what I mean. And this time them they in a Trenchtown, Jamaica. So you know what I mean. Them tend to do a thing called poverty porn. You understand? And them tend to find them not look on the best part of Jamaica, them try go down in the trenches, you know what I mean, and people call it poverty porn. So we are gonna review this, we are gonna react to this, you know what I mean, and see if what they are saying about Jamaica Trenchtown, you know what I mean, is true, and we are gonna react to how our people welcome a certain people into our, you know what I mean, space without, you know what I mean, any fears that nothing, you know, you get to me I say? Yeah. And the question is, could a black Jamaican do the same thing? We're gonna jump straight into it. So as you jump in, remember to like, follow, share, and leave you know what I mean, an expressions in our chat. You know what I mean? Without further ado, we're gonna jump straight into it.
What we really need in Jamaica, we just smoke, drink, make music, make love.
These are one of the most prone violent streets in Trenchtown.
Are they really, yeah?
In Trenchtown, you have different leaders, different gang members, different type of people trying to take over
Yeah.
other gangs.
Yeah.
Chip in, do the right thing. People are dying out here
Yeah.
for just careless reasons.
Now, you didn't think old Wendell would come all the way to Jamaica and not check out Trenchtown. So that's where I am. The great man, Robert Nesta Marley, and of course for Whalers, the birthplace of reggae. I'm excited to check this place out. It's a place that pretty much everybody in the world knows of because the reaches of Jamaican culture and Jamaican music of reggae have gone everywhere. It's affected the world so much. But Trenchtown has got a reputation as a bit of a notorious place. It can have problems with crime. It can be dangerous. So of course, I brought a local with me. I brought the Jamaican muscle himself, Mr. Nigel.
Yes, people, welcome to Jamaica, welcome to Trenchtown. You're in good hands, no need to worry.
No need to worry. Some people told me that it's a bit of a sketchy hood, Trenchtown. You think I'm going to be okay?
Yeah, man, you're gonna be okay, man. You're in the right hands.
Now, we're not just going to see the tourist sites in Trenchtown. We've got some local lads to meet. There's some artists, musicians, and we're going to take us deep into the centre of Trenchtown, where most of the tourists never see. So let's get on it. You can tell I'm excited. Trenchtown, reggae, Bob Marley, Jamaica. Let's go. So straight to it. We're in the heart of Trenchtown, and we're with the Brinks boys. That's right, yeah. Yeah.
On drinks.
So tell the people about what you do and about Trenchtown.
No, we do music in Trenchtown, you know, so we are the upcoming star them in the Trenchtown, you see. Just look out for any platform. One J brings Chop Code, Top Scott, Hot Jobs, Party, Ingenious, a lot of artists in the Trenchtown right there, so Ice, a lot of talent there, is it? And we love how we grow in it. I teach you a lot, is it?
Nice,
I
yeah.
know, say, how legend come from Trenchtown to like Bob them.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we have to continue there.
I'm so excited, yeah. But I don't want to see where all the tourists go. Like, I want to see how the residents of Trenchtown live and what life's like. So can you show me that too?
I will take you there when you're ready.
Yeah, I'm ready, yeah. We're going upstairs first.
Music first.
Show you the
Always music first. Music's the most important thing. Hello. You've got the guard dog, yeah?
Yeah, that's sharp, but
The pit bull.
Yo, I'm in the sports and the wire action Jackson fast and I want here,
one brings out there, check it out. Make it small, send you wire transaction fast. Run the leaves so we don't know about money. Bang the like how we are doing for your carpet. I want go see him that she tell the girl take charge. It's all legit, me nah. She believe that cross, him that he get trapped. 280 money dash. Yeah, we got with the cash, the rate tycoon. It's like a them acting 12 till new. Cash out them card and spend it by shoes. I'm a time to refuse. Transaction fast. On the list, cause we don't know about fast. Bang the like how we are doing for your card. I want go see him that she said they can't take charge. It's so legit, me nah. She believe that grass, him that he get chopped. Yeah, no fun. We are the latest brand, not for it. We have basic spots. We have business, we have
So tell me a little bit about Trenchtown these days. What's life like in Trenchtown?
Alright, really right now, for the past few days of the 2025, nothing now really go on because the police, them, the feds.
Yeah, a little bit more relaxed.
Yeah, everything just more steady.
We got a curfew like it and night time,
Really? What
Yeah.
time?
like 8 o'clock.
So 8 o'clock, what does the curfew mean? Everyone indoors?
Indoors.
Or
Yeah,
just
but
not moving around?
we are still outdoor.
Of course, yeah.
Yeah.
How do you get people to stay indoors from 8 o'clock in Jamaica?
Never.
Anywhere but Jamaica, yeah?
Never.
Yeah.
We gotta be really, not me though, cause my life, I gotta keep my life.
Yeah.
So, folks are only always outside. saying,
Outside, same way.
So how long's the studio been in operation? How long have you been mixing your own music?
Mixing from about 2013.
Nice, yeah.
Yeah, down at One Brings. Chop Code Music
Yeah.
started 2 years ago.
Okay, sweet, yeah.
Yeah, so we be swinging with
One brings. We working for One Brings from a long time. One Brings.
more than 10 years now.
Yeah.
So I got a feeling you boys are older than you look. I meet so many Jamaican people. You look like you're in your 20s.
I'm 20.
You're 20 years old.
21 this year.
So you've achieved a lot with your life already, mate. Yeah.
Already, mate. Still got a more look.
You got
The
to
world
take all
is big
that.
and it's just Jamaica alone.
Yeah. You got to go all the way to the sea and then move on from that. Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yo, you see every promoter in the UK, when you just look out for J Brings, if you don't have any stage show contact at the same time, we're active and ready for any stage show in the UK. You hear that?
Anywhere you go in the world, people know what and where Trenchtown is. I think it's amazing, Jamaica in general. For a small nation with like 3 million people, the cultural impact that it's had on the world, it's got the biggest cultural footprint for its size in the world. You know what I mean? Small island country, but it's known and it's affected everywhere.
So we just want the world, but no Trenchtown already just look out for us
Yeah, man.
from Trenchtown all over the world.
Look out for us, man.
This year, remember I told you we're not waiting on next year. This year, 2025.
There only is
Look,
2025.
this is what I'm telling you about. Cops, be all around.
All
We're
around.
just circling all the
Yeah, the circle is just normally a recent curfew, nothing much.
So how long has the curfew been enacted?
Just from Monday.
From Monday.
Yeah.
What was there a reason why it was enacted?
Next door community,
Yeah.
up Flair,
And what's that? Is that Denham Town?
them and town.
Yeah.
Yeah, so the whole neighboring community feel the consequences of the
Because of a beef, yeah?
the beef. But not we are crime free.
Crime free in Trenchtown, yeah?
Crime free in Trenchtown.
Yeah.
Neighboring community, uprival.
Okay.
Yeah, pie,
Yeah.
them and town.
Yeah. So they're trying to like control the community
Yeah,
by getting you to go to sleep at 8 o'clock.
yeah.
I can't see that happening. Yeah. But you could just get everybody in the bar up here.
Yeah, we here are in the culture yard.
Yeah.
Are we be by the studio?
Yeah.
Are we out of here? We left the zinc fence and uptown.
Yeah. But you should be free.
Yeah, that's how we
You
live
can't
it.
entrap young men, you know what I mean?
You gotta live the life. You can't itch one place and think the life gonna come to you. Spread your wings. All when you're broke, just
You-
believe in yourself, fam.
Do you know what? You're inspiring me saying these things because back in the UK, a lot of young people, they haven't got like the entrepreneurship, the spirit of hustle that some of the young people in Jamaica have got. And I wish people in the UK, not everyone, but some people, could take an example from like people like yourself, young entrepreneur, 20 years old,
20
and you
years
want to
old.
conquer the world.
Conquer. One champ the world, like look how we beat the one.
And then people in the UK, you know, they've got so much, but they moan with what they've got. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
and
yeah.
then here, people are ready to just go and try and take
Yeah,
everything.
man, you are go-getters in Jamaica, worse in Trenchtown.
Yeah.
It's so Trenchtown build you mentally.
Yeah.
Mentally, it make it tough.
It makes you strong, yeah?
Strong.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you have to go for what you want. Every morning you get up, you have to go earn the dollar.
Yeah.
You care what you do, hustling, sweep the street, selling music, playing guitar, anything that you do, selling stars in the street, observer, cleaner. You have to go it for the dollar.
Yeah.
That's how Trenchtown build us.
Yeah.
So everybody here have a skill. I'm a number one chopper hustler.
Okay.
This chopper, I'm a authentic chopper hustler.
Yeah.
I hustle everything from cigarette to rum, craving
You'll
you
turn
name
your
it.
hand to anything.
Anything.
Yeah.
Yeah. But I stick to most of cigarette. I sell cigarette by the carton.
Okay. How much
Yeah.
you sell a carton of cigarettes for?
I sell a carton for 2.5.
2.5, yeah.
2005 Jamaican, that's sunny.
So that's like, in my mind, that's like 10 quid. That's cheap. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's a good price. Yes.
Yeah, that's illegal cigarette we have around here. We make a money after everybody.
So this me